Good day, grade 3 pupils. How are you today?
We're doing good,
Doing
ma'am.
good? That sounds great. Well, who is assigned to lead the prayer today?
Me, ma'am, Albarasi.
Okay, Albarasin. Let's make the sign of the cross. And
Name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
God, thank you
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for the gift of life. As we gathered here today, give us knowledge, wisdom, and patience so that we will be able to understand our lesson today and use it in our everyday lives. We are sorry for all the sins that we have committed. This is all we pray in Jesus' name. Amen. Father, Son, the Holy Spirit.
Okay, class, before you will sit down, kindly pick up pieces of papers under your desk. Arrange your chairs properly. And after that, you may take your seat. Okay. So, class, what day is today? Today is Monday. What is the weather today? Today is sunny day. Very good. So class, before we will proceed to our discussion, I want you to remember our classroom rules. Number 1, do not talk to your seatmates if the teacher is discussing in front. Rule number 2, if you want to answer, just raise your hand. Do not answer in chorus. Rule number 3, do not go outside the classroom if not necessary. But if you want to go to the comfort room, just ask me, teacher, may I go to the comfort room? Okay, are we clear now? Very good. Okay, class, fix yourselves. So, are you ready to listen? Okay, so, class, let's have a review first. What did we discuss last meeting? Harabel?
Adjectives, teacher.
Yes, correct. We discussed about adjectives. What is adjectives? Another hand. Okay, Kisha. Yes, adjectives is a word used to describe noun or pronoun. Very good. So, can you give me an example of adjective? Debbie. Yes, the word beautiful, correct. Can you use beautiful in a sentence? My mother is beautiful. Very good. What else?
Thoughtful.
Thoughtful. Yes, correct. Can you use thoughtful in a sentence? Mark Sherfbon is thoughtful. Very good. All of your answers are correct. Okay, class. So for today, I have prepared here an activity. I will give additional 5 points to those who will volunteer and participate. Are you all excited? Very good. So, class, have you seen all those jumbled letters and objects on the board? Very good. What you're going to do is you're going to arrange all those jumbled letters in order for you to come up with a word. Okay, so the first thing we will do is we will describe the first 3 objects. So class, we will first describe the 3 objects, the triangle, the rectangle, and the circle. So how will you describe the white triangle? Anyone? Very good. It is small. So the word here is small. What about the green rectangle? How will you describe the green rectangle? Very good. It is short. The length of green triangle is short. So now let's proceed to the third object, the yellow circle. How will you describe the shape, the size of a yellow circle? Very good. It is big. So the word here is big. So now let's proceed to the second object. What we are going to do is we compare the second object to the first object. Okay. So if we compare the green triangle to white triangle, what have you noticed? Very good. The green triangle is smaller than white triangle. So the word here is smaller. Very good. Second one, the red rectangle. If we compare red rectangle to the green rectangle, what have you noticed about the length? Yes, the red rectangle is shorter than green rectangle. So the word here is shorter. Very good. So let's proceed to the third one. The blue circle. If we compare the size of a blue circle and a yellow circle, what have you noticed? Very good. The blue circle is bigger than the yellow circle. So the word here is bigger. Very good, class. So now let's proceed to the third object. If we compare the blue triangle to the other two triangles, what have you noticed? Very good. The blue triangle is the smallest triangle among the three triangles. Very good, class. So the word here is smallest. So the third rectangle, the yellow rectangle. If we compare the yellow rectangle to the other two rectangles, what have you noticed about the length? Very good. The yellow triangle is the shortest among the three rectangles. So the word here is shortest. So now let's proceed to the last one, the green circle. If we compare the green circle to the other two circles, what have you noticed about its size? Very good. The green circle is the biggest among the three circles. So the word there is biggest. Okay, class, based on the activity that I have given to you earlier, what have you noticed? Anyone? Yes, Harabel. Very good. If we compare two objects or person, we add ER to the last part of the word. If and only if the adjective word has only one syllable. So if we compare more than two people or objects, what do we add? Very good. We add EST to the last part of the word. If and only if the adjective word has one syllable only. So, for example, is the word small. If we compare two objects, it will become smaller. But if we compare three objects, it will become smallest. So, class, do you now have an idea what our topic would be?